We recently started carrying Zodiac as a brand in our shop, and almost immediately we were hit with this fantastic new watch. Welcome back to the channel for Right Time Watches here in Denver, Colorado. I am very interested in this particular timepiece. I think it's very good looking and comes from an impressive lineup of watches. But this time it's made in all ceramic. Before we dig into its details, we'll invite you to subscribe to the channel so you catch all of our upcoming videos. This watch is the same size as some of the others from the lineup at 40 millimeters in diameter with a 48.3 millimeter lug-to-lug. It's 13.5 millimeters thick and powered by a Swiss automatic chronometer. I always love when a new watch colorway gives us something more than just new colors. This one gives us an all-black, moody-looking timepiece, but we get it in ceramic. Not only is it very beautiful, but it's going to stay that way because ceramic is extremely scratch resistant, so this amazing timepiece is going to look new for years and years. And that's a good thing too, because this classic Zodiac Super Sea Wolf design is going to look good for years and years. I think it's a style that will never go outdated, and since its inception way back in the 1950s, it's looked incredible the whole time. The colors are very interesting, and it's still legible for a black watch because we have white hands and indices. It's a little bit difficult to tell, but at this angle you can sort of see that the dial is an extremely dark midnight blue. I think it's a great accent with this watch, and it looks amazing. This watch, being so well made and so well designed at $1,700 US would have been impressive enough if it were in steel, but when you consider that you get all of this at that price point in ceramic, it really starts to stand out amongst the crowd. The detail work and the finishing are particularly impressive on this Super Sea Wolf. One of the coolest parts of this wristwatch to me is that the black ceramic bezel insert is exactly the same as the black ceramic on the case, so you get a very interesting and unified look that you can't always get from a steel wristwatch. Speaking of the bezel, it is an operational 0 to 60 dive timer, unidirectional. It feels very good, as you'd expect from a high quality brand such as this. The alignment is perfect, and you can tell that their quality control is top notch. My only real complaint here is more of a what if than a complaint. I just imagine if this had been on a bracelet, how fantastic that would have looked. With that being said, I don't have any complaints about this tropic style strap. It's extremely soft and comfortable and will be very wearable. The underside of that strap has a very nice texture to it, which will make it extremely breathable up against the wrist, making wearing this on an everyday basis no problem at all. I'm also a fan of the matching black hardware with the Zodiac signature. This watch does have a sealed case back, so no see-through with a pass-through to the movement, but that being said, it is a 200-meter dive watch made of ceramic, so I'm not terribly surprised by that. The caseback does have a cool, artsy engraving of the Zodiac logo there in the center, and it has information about the watch, movement, and water resistance. As I mentioned, the movement behind here is a chronometer certified automatic made in Switzerland. The watch has extremely impressive lume, and it looks great in nighttime conditions, which you might not expect from such a dark watch as this one. On the wrist, this watch really starts to shine. The contrast between the black strap, black case, and your skin looks amazing, in my opinion. Here it is on my 8-inch wrist. If you're on the hunt for something unique and interesting without paying extremely high price tag, this may be a watch for you to consider adding to your own collection. This watch is so impressive in so many ways, but overall I think it just looks great. If you'd like to purchase this watch or any of our others, please visit us online at righttime.com or give us a call. We're always happy to help. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time at Right Time.